TechInFive.
Python in practice, master real-world projects in 5 minutes. Unveil the power of Python GUIs with Tkinter. Ready for interactive applications? Welcome to a new chapter in our Python journey, where we dive into Tkinter, the standard graphical user interface toolkit for Python. From simple dialog boxes to complex windows and widgets, Tkinter makes your projects more interactive and user-friendly. Today, we're creating a console service, a dynamic space for displaying output and capturing user input through a clean, rollable console area and actionable buttons. Let's start with a quick Tkinter overview before we build our console service. Tkinter, short for TK interface, is Python's de facto standard for creating graphical user interfaces. With Tkinter, developers can quickly design windows, dialogues, buttons, menus, and more, without diving deep into the complexities of GUI programming. Let's dive into the Interactive Dashboard class, designed using Tkinter to create an interface for displaying outputs and interacting with users through buttons. The Interactive Dashboard class's initialization method sets up the basic configuration of the dashboard window, with optional parameters for title and size, defaulting to Interactive Dashboard and 800 by 600. We create the main window of our application by assigning TK to root, which serves as the primary container for all other GUI elements. We then set the window's title and size using the basic configuration. We create a new frame widget using TK's frame method, which acts as a container for other widgets. This frame widget belongs to the main window root, establishing a parent-child relationship in the widget hierarchy. The pack method is used to place and resize the frame within the root window, with fill set to both and expand set to true, allowing it to expand and occupy any additional space in the parent widget. Next, we create a scrollable text area for displaying output using Tkinter's scrolled text widget. The widget is created within the frame and includes vertical scrolling for convenience. We set wrap to word for readability, and state to disabled to make the text area read-only. Export selection allows users to copy selected text to the clipboard. The text area is positioned within its parent frame, with a padding of 10 pixels on all sides. The fill and expand parameters ensure that the text area dynamically resizes with the window, making full use of available space. This section prepares for button integration by creating a dedicated frame within the main window. It's designed to contain buttons arranged horizontally without expanding. Following the setup of buttons frame, the Add Button method allows us to dynamically add buttons to the dashboard. Each button is created with a specified label and an associated command function that executes upon clicking. These buttons are placed within the button's frame, aligning to the left with consistent padding. Building on the interactive elements, the display text and append text methods manage the content shown in the scrollable text area. The display text method is used to show new information, replacing any existing content. It first sets the text area to a normal state to allow modifications. Then, it deletes all current text and inserts the provided text into the text area. Finally, it reverts the text area back to a disabled state to prevent user edits. Append text method enhances the dashboard's functionality by allowing incremental updates to the text area without removing what's already there. Unlike display text method, this method adds new text to the end of the existing content, followed by a new line characters, making it ideal for logging or showing a series of updates. The run method activates the dashboard's core functionality by initiating Tkinter's main loop. This main loop is the heartbeat of the application, continuously checking for events like button clicks or updates, and refreshing the GUI accordingly. It keeps the application responsive and interactive. In wrapping up today's tutorial, we've constructed an interactive dashboard using Tkinter, providing a foundation for building interactive Python applications. Stay tuned for more as we continue to explore the power of Python in bringing your projects to life.
Stay tuned for more videos on TechInFive.